Want to know our secret? How you start your mornings every single day determines the outcome of every single day. And enough positive mornings in a row can positively impact your entire life. It's that simple. We know this because the minute we started to improve our morning routines, our entire lives transformed. One step, one morning at a time. The bedrock for this was a consistent and nourishing morning yoga practice. And so to help others find the enrichment of what a strong morning yoga practice can bring to your life, we are super proud to bring you a brand new free program called Morning Ritual, a 7-day morning yoga challenge. The 7-day yoga challenge consists of 7 20-minute morning yoga practices set with a different intention to help you start your day in the most ideal way. And together, this challenge creates a holistic gift of equanimity and energy that will resonate throughout your entire life. All you have to do is simply click this link right here and you will receive all of the tools that you need, such as the free guidebook, access to all of the classes, and a daily email reminder from us. The great thing is that this program is completely customizable to fit your life, and you can repeat it over and over again. So what are you waiting for? Click this link and take control of your mornings.